Okay, good afternoon, everyone. How are you? I hope you are going well. So first, I wanted to say thank to all of you for joining this online class. So today in this class, I want to deliver my material. The topic is about comprehension degree. So the purpose of this class is to deliver a little teaching about English grammar, namely the comprehension degree. And it is expected that participants can understand the comprehension degree and understand and practice it. So without any further ado, we move to the material. Let me share my screen. Wait a minute, yeah. Are you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, comprehension degree. I think some of you already know what is the comprehension degree and some are not. So comprehension degree is a term in English grammar to show comprehension. Jadi comprehension degree ini salah satu English grammar untuk menunjukkan apa namanya perbandingan. In comprehension degree, adjective and adverb will be changed form according to the level of comprehension. Comprehension degree is used to compare a thing to another. Jadi comprehension degree ini digunakan untuk membedakan atau membandingkan satu benda atau person dengan another. Next, the level of comprehension degree. In comprehension degree, there are 3 levels. The first one is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. And the last one is superlative degree. The first one, positive degree. Positive degree used to compare the thing that have same or comparable level. Jadi benda yang di compare di sini memiliki nilai yang sama. For the example, you are as pretty as your mother. Kamu secantik ibumu. Jadi mereka memiliki setara kecantikan yang sama. The next one is comparative degree. One of the things that compared is have to nature more than the other. For the example, you are prettier than your mother. Jadi comparative degree digunakan untuk membandingkan dua benda yang salah satu bendanya memiliki nilai lebih. For example, you are prettier than your mother. Kamu lebih cantik dari ibumu. Jadi si kamu ini memiliki nilai kecantikan yang lebih dari ibunya. The last one is superlative degree. The thing that compared is half the nature most than the others. For the example, you are the prettiest girl in your class. Superlative lebih dari dua benda. The different comparative and superlative degree is comparative degree used to compare just two things. Two things or two people. And superlative degree used to compare more than two things or more person. You are the prettiest girl in your class. Kamu adalah gadis yang paling cantik di kelas kamu. Jadi dia adalah gadis yang paling cantik di kelasnya. Berbeda dengan comparative degree yang hanya membandingkan dua benda. Next, syllable. Before we move to the pattern of the comprehension degree, I'm going to tell you about syllable. Syllable in bahasa is suku kata. So there are 4 syllables. The first one is monosyllable. Are words that consist of only one syllable. Terdiri dari satu suku kata. For the example, book, bring, think, broom, clean, make, and so on. The next one is D-syllable, are words that consist of 2 syllables. For example, crazy, lazy, happy, slowly, and so on. And the next one, tri-syllable, 3-syllable. Words consisting of 3 syllables, terdiri dari 3 suku kata. For example, remember, happiness, and so on. And the last one is polysyllable. Are words consisting of 4 or more syllable, terdiri dari 4 atau lebih syllable suku kata. For example, determined, allocation, responsible. Oke. Rata-rata terdiri dari 4 suku kata. The next one, pattern of comprehension degree. Jadi pola dari comprehension degree. The first one, the pattern of positive degree. As the previous explanation, positive degree used to compare the thing have same level. There are 2 pattern here. The first one use to be, and the second one is use verb. The first one, Ayu is as smart as Putri. The second one is Santi runs as fast as Tia does. Jadi positive degree ini ciri khasnya adalah penggunaan as pada adjective. Ayu is as smart as Putri. Jadi Ayu sepintar Putri. Ayu dan Putri memiliki kepintaran yang sama. The next one, Santi runs as fast as Tia does. Atau bisa Santi runs as fast as Tia. Jadi Santi larinya sama kencang dengan Tia. Seperti itu. Next, comparative degree. In comparative degree, there are rules of using the rule of using ER. Jadi ciri khas comparative degree ini menggunakan IR pada adjektifnya. Aturan penggunaan IR use for 1 to 2 syllable, menggunakan 1 sampai 2 suku kata. For example, Nina is taller than Noni. Taller itu berasal dari kata tall, yaitu tinggi, itu 1 syllable. Lalu ditambah dengan IR. Jadi taller. Nina is taller than Noni. Jadi Nina lebih tinggi dari Noni. Jadi comparative degree used to compare two things, just two things, okay? Next, in comparative degree, use more if the syllable more than 2 and has the ending li, full, less, ing, and os. For the example, chocolate is more delicious than vanilla. The use of more here because the delicious is consists of 4 syllable. Oke, karena dia ada lebih dari 2 syllable, jadi dia menggunakan more. Lalu untuk the next examples, Nana speaks more calmly than Noni does. Calmly di sini consists to syllable, tapi dia menggunakan more karena ada beberapa kata khusus yang jika endingnya itu menggunakan li, full, less, ing, atau os, itu menggunakan more sebelumnya. Kita next. The last one is superlative degree. Superlative degree hampir sama dengan comparative degree, but the difference between both are superlative degree used most to compare the subject. The thing that compare is have the nature most than the others. Jadi benda yang dibandingkan di sini memiliki nilai paling dari yang lainnya. For example, his drawing is the best. Lukisannya atau gambarannya adalah yang paling terbaik. Jadi bisa dilihat di sana rumusnya subject plus to be plus the adjective plus est. The object is optional. The next one, Emma runs the fastest all of the runner. Jadi Emma adalah pelari yang tercepat dari pelari yang lainnya. Jadi yang menunjukkan compare di situ adalah fastest. Next, chocolate is the most delicious flavor. Same with the comparative degree. The most used to for syllable that more than 2 syllable. Okay. Next, how about the other rules? Okay. In comprehension degree, there are some rules that specifically for irregular verb. Irregular verb is kata kerja tidak beraturan. So, it is not follow the rules of using ER and EST. Irregular verb is kata kerja tidak beraturan. Jadi dia memiliki perubahan kata kerja sendiri. Jadi dia tidak mengikuti aturan ER dan EST. For example, bad, words, and the words. Bad is a verb 1 as the positive degree. For example, Rico is as bad as his brother. Rico seburuk saudara laki-lakinya. The next one, words. Words is the verb 2 of bad. Words as the comparative comparative degree. The example is Rico writes worse than his brother. Jadi tulisan Rico lebih buruk dari saudaranya. Jadi di peraturannya sebelumnya komparatif kan menggunakan ER. Tapi karena dia irregular verb, jadi dia tidak menggunakan aturan tersebut. Jadi dia tetap menggunakan worse. The next one is the worst is the verb 3 of bad. The worst as the superlative degree. The example is today is the worst day for Rico. Sorry, typo ya. Jadi hari ini adalah hari yang terburuk untuk Rico. Jadi worst adalah hal yang paling buruk untuk Rico. Seperti itu. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. That's all the material. From the material, the conclusion is comparative degree is a grammar in English that used to compare one thing to another. There are some parts, rules, and patterns of comprehension degree that we have to follow it. If you want to master this material, you or master English as well, you must learning and practice. Practice with your friend, okay? So, okay. Okay, that's all the material for today. I hope you can learn something from my material today. And thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. And I think enough for today. So see you in the next time. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you for
Bye.
joining. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the mistake.